Hello everyone, my name's Ian, and today I am at my house's playground where my dad is going to be attempting to shoot our busted pool with a shotgun. Alright, Dad, you ready?
Yep.
Fire!
I want to come see the The thing is, I learned about this in forensics. The bullet curve, it's going to still be in there. Let's see.
Look, what's pepper, dude? It's got real holes all in it.
Oh, that's a pepper shot, ain't it?
Come here, we'll shoot the other side.
So I want to see if I can spot what remains of the bullet.
Okay.
Okay. You think the kickback would hurt me?
Probably not.
Want to shoot it?
Yeah.
Alright, listen. Yep. You pull the hammer back,
Like so.
and aim it, keep it like aim, like eyeball right in the middle. Don't shoot the dang the poles. But if you aim it like dead center around here,
Like so.
Yep.
Alright, can I get a shoot when Johnny's finished?
And
we'll try if you want to. Johnny, you got to put it up on your shoulder, honey.
oh, like so.
No, on your shoulder.
Fine, actually.
No, brace it on your shoulder.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Now, pull that hammer back. Don't stick the eye right in the damn bow.
Alright, Jimmy.
So should I go ahead and pull the hammer down?
Yeah, but don't pull the trigger. Let go of the trigger. You got the
I wasn't pulling the trigger.
Okay. Brace yourself and then shoot.
Alright.
You ready?
You ready?
Yep, are you ready, Johnny?
Yep.
I didn't say fire yet.
Well, I was ready.
We're honestly gonna be.
You want to try it in?
Yeah, someone's have to.
Let me see. Let me first look inside.
Someone's recording. Oh my gosh.
Let's see if we can find what remains of the scatter shot.
Give Jamie the scatter shot. Give Jamie the thing.
You got the scatter shot bullets right now.
You got to brace it on your shoulder. Okay, that's what gets you secure. Okay? Alright. Pull the trigger back. Don't keep your finger off the trigger. Don't pull it so I say go. Okay, when you're ready, you can. I can't hold you if you trying to do it. So hang on, I got to go. Yep, go.
Whoa, that was a good shot.
Oh God!
You brought the waterworks out.
Oh God!
Good shot, Ian.
Oh God! We just destroyed the pool. We just destroyed the pool. Oh my God.
Made in 1871, but this was made in 1971.
There ain't no small ball.
Oh.
Balls it look. If you start pulling Mama's shoes out, I think over in the right hand section of the thing that's got the shoes.
There's black bolt.
No, there's a shoe that's got some bolts in it.
Okay, what's the shoe look like?
Just going.
I don't know, just go look.
It's just going all the way down. Congratulations, we just created a surging river. And we made our shoes wet.
We're back up out of the water.
Yep. There you go. How long is it gonna take for that to just, you know?
Not long. We'll get about 1 or 2 more holes in there. It's going to flood out.
Yeah. You know.
They probably flood out before Jamie gets back in the water. Get it with a bullet.
You know, I can't believe that one shot I made just destroyed it. You know, what is with our family with rivers and creeks and lakes and ponds? Yeah. Oh, gosh. It's almost all the way down.
What's the bullet that's got the red casing in there?
It's the same thing.
It's the different brand?
I.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot it again.
All right. I'll tell you when you're ready.
Ready?
Yep. Fire.
Good shot. Not quite the waterworks that Ian shot.
Yeah. I can't
Get
believe.
back, I'm gonna shoot it again.
Oh, shit.
I thought we were alternating. Yeah.
Oh crap.
Keep on your shoulder right there.
All right, Javi. Just fire when I say fire.
Make sure you aim it between the soles, though, because you get it too high. It's too high. But look, look. That's fine, but you stand straight it in. Don't shoot it an angle when you come in, stand straight ahead with it. Yep. Aim it to the bottom.
All right, Javi. Ready?
On my shoulder up. Keep it on your shoulder. Keep the base of it on your shoulders, because when it kicks, it's going to
All right, Javi. Ready?
shoot.
Oh God.
Okay. That one was a precision shot.
Ian's turn.
Look, see? It went right through, but there ain't much water leaking. Flat out precision.
All right.
If I ever did see it.
Where you gonna shoot it at?
I don't care.
How about a spot we ain't shot it yet?
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. You're gonna put it on your shoulder. On your shoulder. Okay, I'm gonna cock it. Okay. Alright, you hold on to that. Good. Alright, you reach it. Are you ready?
Looks like.
Javi, come on.
All right. Looks like we only got scatter shot bullets. I see.
Did he even do a big one?
Well, that's because Bud. Look,
Oh my gosh.
you have to shoot a little lower.
Put it up here. Put it up here. Put it up here. It's so low.
See if we can spot anything.
One bullet left, I'm gonna shoot it.
Oh no, there's one more bullet inside. I just didn't grab all of them.
Wait, hold
That's alright.
on.
Save a few bullets.
Well, I grabbed a decent chunk of them.
We just
Might
created
need to buy
a
some
literal. We just created a literal bilge wrap barges on our hands.
Hey, hold on, Ian. Watch.
All right, Dad, ready?
Yep, that's it. Ready?
Yep, fire! Oh God.
Farewell.
Tried to, I should have shot it.
You did us kind of well
Yeah,
till you broke.
my dang feet are cold.
Alright, we'll go inside, take them off, lunge up, and shoot the guy.
Okay.
We need to, get it to work. Tore pretty far down there.
Dang it, it's
Getting
still
off easy.
going.
It'll run out all the water.
Well, theoretically, if I grabbed one of the other rounds and you shot right there.
Go get me about 2 more. If you find them in that chute.
Yeah, it wasn't down though. It was only on the one up.
Well, just find the other one, another one.
Just one.
1 or 2. If you can find 2, bring them.
You know, Jeremy and you both know that this is gonna be the longest video on my channel. Yeah, the content.
Maybe you can edit it.
How can I? I mean, the content I make are pretty short. Because time and junk. Well, there's our house, everybody. It's beautiful. They're beautiful. And here's our pool. Looking like it just got out of World War II. And there's our newly created river. If you don't see it, it's right there. If you don't know, it just starts here. And then it goes all the way down there now.
I found 2. There's only one more in there, so I'd.
Well, that's fine. I got more.
Yeah. No, it looks older. The red one does. It's an older round.
Keep the red one?
Yeah.
Who's turning?
That's mine, ain't it?
We're just getting free hole. You know what? You know what? Before you do that,
Oh, Ian, careful. Move over here.
all right, Jamie.
Gotta get down low.
All right, Jamie, ready?
Right there.
Are you ready?
And if it's right there, Dave. Hey, right on target.
Yeah.
You better step out on it. Hey. Now they're all wet.
It's right.
Was that the red bullet or the?
That was a red bullet.
All right.
That was a precision shot there. Older bullet too. Let me stand back.
Ready? And fire.
All right, we got it.
All right.
Here, you can do your outro thingy, but your battery's low, by the way.
Yeah, don't worry.
I want to look in there real quick. I was wanting to look in there.
Yeah. It looks like we just. It looks like we just wiped out this dang pool. And our dad is just knifing it out. Oh, here comes more of a bitter river. So long, pool. It's nice knowing you. Now, how many times have we said that? Dang it, my feet are colder than ever. Ah.
I'm just trying to find that red shell. I want to see what it looks like.
Alright, everybody. I guess this is it for the video. And our pool. So, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to Gibbs Productions. Alright,
Let's go.
see you everybody. Bye.